around because I didn't want to get them on video. Honest to God, don't send your children out. Poison birds. Now I've seen everything. Honest to God. Can you believe that? Can you believe that? Ah, my God. Right in front of me? Yeah, it doesn't smell. It doesn't smell like sunflower seed. It smells like pesticide. Okay? He just did this. Look, none of the birds are eating it. Honest to God. You people, it's like what? It's like the people in Afghanistan and other places who strapped bombs to their kids and sent them out. Or they screamed jihad. Ali Akbar. Really? Making your kids do that? Yeah. Yeah, he looked at me. As soon as my back was turned, he threw this down. Honest to God. My hand is burning. You must be kidding. Now I've seen everything. You people are scum. Okay? You people are the lowest thing I've ever seen. I think that kid was about 9 years old, 10 years old, something like that. Honest to God. You people are something else. Those are my seeds. See, they were eating them. Did not touch these seeds, thank God. There's too much water in there. Really. Really, really, really. Okay? People are unbelievable. Okay? You are unbelievable doing something like that. Sending a kid on a bicycle to dump poisoned sunflower seeds. Right? You people. Oh my God, does that anger me? I'm gonna have to clean that up. This guy, this bag unfortunately is gonna have to go bye-bye. Okay, I got some more seeds. Let's take one of these packages. Take this bag here. Now I've seen everything. I thought I saw everything, okay? I thought I saw everything. Of course, I didn't get it on video, but I didn't want to get it on video. That's why he didn't want to get on video, okay? Now I'm going to smell these. No, they smell like sunflower seeds. But those did not. And I did not dump in a big pile like that. And the birds didn't touch them. Did you see that? They did not touch them. Think about that. Oh my God, missed opportunity. I should have kept my camera on him. But I'm not allowed to video children. One of my enemies sees that, wow, I'll get a 2,000 franc fine, okay? So no. And YouTube doesn't allow it also, which I agree with, okay? The people give me a break, all right? Sending your kids out to do your dirty work, right? It's just unbelievable. Unbelievable. I can't get over it. I'm traumatized. I am traumatized, okay? I should have saved it and had it analyzed, but I don't have to. It smells like pesticide and my hand is burning. So, hey. My goodness. Wait till I tell Bryant. What is this? You see how they poison the minds of the children here? Do you see that? Is that unbelievable? Okay? I'm not sure what he's after. I think they see me throwing the sunflower seeds down, so they know everybody eats them. The crows and the pigeons. We want to get rid of those pigeons, right? Okay. Let's throw down some. Let's throw down some. Oh, we got some ducks there today. Leaving that now. Put some of this down here. That's my seed. But I spread it out. Okay? That was just thrown in a pile. It was just dumped quickly and away you go. Okay? Yeah. Oh, there's the house of art from church. Oh God, another evil one. He's just coming out of the woodwork today. I caught him also through poison. He threw oatmeal mixed with blue corn. That was 3 years ago. Here. Right? Here's another church member. I'm not sure if that's Dustin. Anyway. First we're going to disturb the birds. Birds are already disturbed. Look, I left the field already. Ducks and everything. Once they see them. Do you understand that? Subscribers? Do you see that? I don't know if you can see that. The field is empty. Look at that. Right? One crow there. There were ducks there. As soon as they pulled up and they're parking lot. That should tell you something. That should tell you something. According to the crows, they're on the evil list. And they're on my evil list as well. Right? So, except for our darling Elfrida, who belongs to this church. Of course, she married into that. Or, yes, partially. I think she was raised by a member of the... She was orphaned. Anyway, no use going people's personal stories. That's not what Crow Crusader does. It's personal information. Anyway, this is DC Danton Crow Crusader wishing you a great Wednesday, 13th of September. In the middle of September, heading toward October. Wish I were in America. I love Halloween. It's my son's favorite holiday. So we always went all out decorating, and they love it in the U.S. Of course, not the same anymore with razor blades and apples and drugs and snatching kids and whatever. Not like it was when I was a child. But nonetheless, it's still a fun holiday. This is DC Danton Crow Crusader. Over and out. Hopefully the GoPro is not so full of raindrops. We'll see you later. Have a good one.